I've often heard South Africans described as incredibly resilient people, and there have been many occasions when, in conversation with one another, we will say that we're sick and tired of being resilient. We don't want to have to be resilient anymore. But the fact of the matter is that life requires us to be resilient. Tragedies happen, disasters happen, change happens, and we need to have the wherewithal to get through it in a fairly together way and resume our lives afterwards without mental health issues and without physical health issues. And it's that very ability to weather the storm, to get through the crisis, to make good decisions whilst going through the crisis, and then to go back to normal. That is the characteristic of resilient people. Resilient people are able to handle change. Resilient people are able to bounce back after setbacks. They're able to overcome adversity, and they're able to sustain good health and good energy levels even while all of that is going on. All of us have experienced disruptions over over our lives, but definitely over the last 2 to 3 years. Locally and globally, we've had COVID. In my own part of the world, we've had civil unrest and riots and a completely absent government. We have recently had devastating floods, and all of these things require us to keep it together. We have to keep it together for our families. We have to keep it together for our businesses. We have to keep it together for ourselves. And that is what is important about resilient people, is they go through this with a sense of agency, with a sense that they will roll with it. They will make the right decisions. They will adapt. They will pivot even, to use a COVID-19 expression, and change what they're doing so that they can continue to live effective, successful lives. So this article and the next two are going to be about resilience, what it is, why you need it. In this particular first article, there's even a quiz so that you can measure your own resilience. Then I'm going to write about how you can develop your own resilience, because it's a capability, if you like, and it can be built and developed. And then the third article, I'm going to talk about developing resilient teams, because resilient teams make for successful businesses that withstand all sorts of difficulties that come to bear on them.